In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Mozilla Firefox browser on Windows quickly and easily. Whether you're switching to a different browser, troubleshooting an issue, or just cleaning up your computer, this simple method will help you remove Firefox in just a few steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos like this. Alright, let's get started. First, press Windows and R on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run Dialog box, which is one of the fastest ways to access Windows tools. In the Run window, type Appwiz.Cpl and then press Enter. This command opens the Programs and Features window where you can view and uninstall desktop applications installed on your computer. Once the window loads, wait a moment for the list of programs to appear. Depending on how many apps you have installed, it may take a few seconds to fully load. Now scroll through the list until you find Mozilla Firefox. You can look for it alphabetically or just scan down until you see the Firefox entry. When you find Mozilla Firefox, click it once to select it. After that, look at the top of the window and click the Uninstall button. If you prefer, you can also right-click Mozilla Firefox and choose Uninstall from the menu. Windows will then begin the uninstall process. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen to complete the removal. In some cases, you may be asked to confirm your choice, and in other cases, the uninstaller may open a separate Firefox removal window. Just keep following the instructions until Firefox is completely removed from your system. If you want to make sure it's fully gone, you can also check your desktop, taskbar, and start menu afterward to confirm that Firefox shortcuts are no longer there. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Mozilla Firefox browser from your Windows PC. If this video helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.